My name is John Day, but I've worked with John and his team for about 7 years, 8 years now, and they've been outstanding on multiple projects. I have several composition roofs, shingles, on my dorms, and I have some tar and gravel modifications on some of my buildings, and I cannot wait to get rid of them because they've been nothing but headaches. If you have issues with your existing roofs right now, with ponding, leaking, just deterioration in general, I would recommend calling John Ewell of Dallas Fort Worth Urethane and having him come out and give you an assessment. And I enjoy your service, I enjoy the relationship we have with each other, and I'm just going to stay with him. I'll just stay with you till the end.
Call Dallas Fort Worth Urethane today. At DFW Urethane, we're turning the world green, one roof at a time.